how's it going? Today I'm gonna share with you 3 ways of using I'm bursting in our speech. Of course, everything depends on the context. That's why be careful. Situation number 1. When you really want to go to the toilet, you can say, I'm bursting. For example, is there a restroom around here? I'm bursting. Situation number 2. You can say, I'm bursting if you've eaten too much food. For example, I can't eat anything another. I'm bursting. And number 3, you can say, I'm bursting when you are really excited about something. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching. Bye.